Good evening, good morning, good day, everyone. This is the office hours for Cluster API provider AWS. This is a CNCF project. And as such, we abide by the code of conduct, which basically means be nice to each other. Normally, we give chance for people to introduce themselves if they are new, but as there's such a small number of us, I think we can skip that today. If there are any items you would like to discuss, feel free to add them to the agenda in the meeting notes. Normally, we would share the meeting notes in the chat window as well, people that don't have access to it, but again, it's probably not needed today. Also, we do normally use the raise hands feature. If you want to talk, again, with such a small number of people, I think we could just unmute ourselves and talk. Seems probably the best way to get through this. So yeah, cool. So PSAs, there is one really that just came out of a chat on one of the threads in Slack, and that Andreas is going to do a walkthrough of the proposal about rethinking how we do networking in Kappa. So we had a discussion quite a long time ago about how to make networking more configurable and extendable in Kappa. So Andreas has put together the start of a proposal doc, but he wants to walk everyone through it. So the proposal, well, he's proposing that they'll walk through the proposal next Monday at the same time as this Kappa meeting. So if anyone wants to join, feel free, either ping him your email address and he will invite you to the meeting, or we will also put it in the channel just before, so you can just hop on in real time. So that's the biggest PSA. Moving on to the action items, there are none, which is good. And the agenda items, there are none as well. So I guess, Daniel and Cameron, is there anything you'd just like to chat about?
Not as part of the agenda. I had something for the after.
Cool. Okay. Well, I think literally, if there is nothing else more on the agenda side, we can call the meeting to a close.
Sounds fun.
Yeah, short and sweet.
Very short.
But yeah, we'll pause recording now and see everyone either next week on the Rethinking Networking session or in 2 weeks' time for the office hours. So pause recording. Cool. Cameron, floor is yours.
Cool. Hey, I didn't want to take up the actual agenda for this, but it was just a poke it for Daniel. I have a pull request, which I still need your sign off on. I got 2 other people to review the diff changes for launch templates, but they wanted your final okay on that, since you and I collaborated a bit on a lot of the changes there. So
yeah,
if you could give that a look this week, that would be sweet.
I will definitely try. I've been distracted